Hey, welcome back. As the mask mandate has been lifted, a lot of us are realizing, hey, it's been like a really long time since we've worn makeup, especially lipstick, right? Some of us may even need a refresher on how to do our own makeup, maybe even need to know what to purchase, since let's face it, a lot can expire in a year. So here to give us some tips and resources to navigate the life of wearing makeup on fully exposed faces is our beauty expert, Christina Gallardo. Hey, Christina. So as viewers take off their masks and begin having fun with makeup again, what are some basic tips you can give them?
Well, you definitely touched on one important thing in your introduction. First things first, go through your makeup and throw out whatever is expired. We did a segment a couple weeks ago with all the expiration guidelines you'll need. You can actually find it on the LX current website. But also don't overwhelm yourself. Focus on the basics first. We're lucky right now that summer is approaching, so you can start out with just a good mascara, a brow gel, a tinted moisturizer with that SPF in it, concealer, and even a multi-use product, which is really popular right now, that can be used as a cream blush, a shadow, and a tinted lip balm. And then once you get the hang of those things, then you can add to your collection and have a little bit more fun with it.
I agree. I've been having fun with the kind of something pink that's cheek, eye, lip, the whole kit and caboodle. That's kind of fun. So what about for those of us who need a refresher on how to actually do our makeup, or even figuring out what products they should buy? There's always new stuff coming out.
So I always tell my clients, when it comes to makeup, one size does not fit all, meaning makeup should definitely be customized to each face based on features, complexion, skin type, and even lifestyle. Some people have 15 minutes to do their makeup and some people have an hour. So a personalized lesson from a local artist like myself will give you the best tips in terms of how to do your own makeup to suit your individual needs. If that's not feasible, there are tons of artists on social media and the internet that create tutorials for a living. My advice is always to find someone with similar features and complexion as you, or someone who films tutorials on a variety of models with a focus on teaching different techniques and looks based on a diverse selection of faces. It doesn't really help to watch someone do their own makeup if we look nothing like them. So it's important to find tutorials that apply to the specific individual.
I know I found that myself. I'm like, I don't know if I can wear that color. I know the internet and social media are inundated with artists who film these tutorials. You mentioned that. But sometimes when it doesn't apply to your own features or lifestyle. So what kind of accounts do you like to follow, maybe artists that have good resources that can actually appeal to a broader range of people?
So I'm definitely not one who has the attention span to sit and watch a 30 to 45 minute YouTube tutorial. I know a lot of us have busy lifestyles. So I love that artists have actually started using Instagram stories, Reels, and TikToks to give us quick, more realistic tutorials for everyday lifestyles. My three go-tos do just that. The first two artists are great because they work on a diverse group of faces while skipping the heavy baking techniques and focusing on letting skin look like skin, which is very in trend right now. They also play with different looks and colors and showcase an array of products for viewers to see live. Nikki Makeup is a makeup artist and beauty columnist in the UK, and she does Sunday tutorials on her Instagram stories. And as you can see, she saves them as highlights so that they're permanent on her page. But she's a great resource because she works on different ages and skin tones, creating beautiful looks that are realistic for those at home. She also uses an array of brands and products and explains why she uses them and what their benefits are and who they're good for, which is great. And then Danessa Myricks, she's a makeup artist, photographer, educator, and founder of Danessa Myricks Beauty. And she uses Reels and IGTV to share tutorials and quick tips on how to achieve looks. But she's great because she also works on a diverse set of models in terms of skin tone. And she also plays with color, which a lot of people are afraid to do at home. So it helps us with that. And she focuses on that glowing, flawless skin. Her looks showcase her own products, but she recently launched her products at Sephora, so they're super easy to find for those who want to try them. And then last but not least, Rose Ciard. She's an artist who does tutorials on herself only, but she's a true educator because she actually talks about the products and techniques she uses in every look she creates and who they work for. And then she provides modifications for those with different skin types and or features. So just because she's using her face doesn't mean what she's teaching doesn't apply to all different people. And she also is great because she reviews a wide range of products from drugstore brands to luxury brands and everything in between. So there's something for everyone. And she actually teaches a different look every day in her stories and then saves them as a highlight and even breaks them down to mini tutorials and reviews in her reels and TikTok. So she's a great resource for a lot of people.
I will be following all those accounts. Technique is also huge to see how an expert actually does it, because I feel like I'm just like wiping my hands all over my face. Christina Gallardo, our beauty and wellness expert, thank you so much for those suggestions. We really appreciate it. It's good to see you. You can catch Christina right here every Tuesday. Make sure you're following her on Instagram at makeupbyChristinaG_.